We offer our full range of services in St. Paul. Services would include any blood or trauma-related services, death-related calls, maybe from a homicide or a suicide or a body decomposition. We also offer hoarding and drug-related services in the City of St. Paul. In the past year, we've done several projects in the City of St. Paul related to what we offer as services, both commercial and residential. At Scene Clean, we handle all the whole process, being remediation all the way through restoration if you need it. We are a preferred vendor for many of the large insurance companies that cover our area, but the services really start with either a phone call or an email from the client, and we try and be out at the job site within a couple hours if it's an emergency. We try and be there within 24 hours if it's an insurance-related project. And the days of needing multiple estimates for an insurance-related claim are no longer with the software that's out there. If it's a hoarding or drug-related client, we'll meet them on scene to provide them a written estimate at that time. In the end, our goal is to have the customer only pay their deductible as their only out-of-pocket expense. Part of the consequences that could happen if you hire a company that's not familiar with these services, it could make your claims processing more difficult. There are a few companies that say they provide biohazard services, but really they probably do a dozen or so of these a year, and it's just an add-on for whether they do fire, water, or carpet cleaning. Whereas at Scene Clean, that's all we do is biohazard related services, and we do a couple hundred of these a year. What really sets us apart is that we are a local company that specializes in this. We have a solid reputation, and we do everything we can to make sure our customer's happy in the end.